everyone! I recently bought something I've been wanting to buy for a long time. This Funko Pop is one of my top wants, and I'm so glad I finally found it for a very reasonable price. It's still kind of a splurge. It's my first big splurge of 2019. I got this pop from Funko Trading Philippines. It's brand new and unopened, and I am so glad I found this. If you want to see what's inside, just keep watching this video. Oh my god. Shucks, I have to get the protective right away. Oh my god. It's so nice, I want to cry. Okay, so I just put it in a pop protector. I'm gonna set it aside and check out everything else that's in the box. So we have a pair of socks, 2 pairs of socks. Oh, this is cute. We also have this pin, so it's really cute, really tiny. And then we have this comic book. It's a custom edition, not for pre-sale. It has covers. Oh, iconic Spider-Man covers. I actually have a copy of this one, Amazing Fantasy. Oh, this is the one from the movie. That's nice. I'm just gonna flip through it. Last but not the least, we have the Blu-ray DVD. This is my first ever Blu-ray, which I bought, and I thought I was gonna sell it, but I'm probably gonna keep it. Oh my god, it's printed upside down. That's so funny, look.